All right, back we go. It is Wednesday, April 19th. It is, what time is it? 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. TQQQ did a little afternoon short about this. Little video, 15-second clip. Let's take a look what happened. All right, so you had the gap down, and this was 4:15 a.m. And then you see the move here. We come down all the way to about 26.75. Yeah, bounces pre-market. You get up to 27. Come back down. So it looks like it's holding, pretty much that 26.75, 26.80. Yeah, it starts to move. It's getting jaggedy here. Yeah, it comes all the way up past 27.10, pulls back. This was definitely tougher. A lot of jagged big moves here. Back and forth, putting in big candles and another big candle up, then down, comes down again. But the one thing I notice, try to notice different things and different patterns. I notice it's getting higher though. See the low? It came up, came down. This didn't go through. I was looking for this down here. So I'm just looking for either the day before, pretty much, or pre-market. See what it's doing here. And then we go up. Then I get in 27.10 and it starts to ride up. I see the 13 EMA, starting to go up nicely. Get a little pullback here, but it didn't go through. It was at 27.20, keep going. Then it starts to bottleneck up here, and I get out. Where did I get out? 27.55.60, right about up here. On this move here, I gave it like one shot to see if it went through this line. See, this line is yesterday's close. This is yesterday or today's open. Put in a big shooting star here. So I made like 50 cents. Not like the biggest trade, but it was a climbing mountain trade. Started to go back and forth, and that's good. You get 50 cents. There's nothing wrong with that. That's a solid gain for today. Every day is not a major trade where it's dollars and dollars, especially on these ETFs. Then we go sideways and we start to fade, then to fade it down a little bit. So this was like one little trade, and that's all you need some days. And the market was down 79 minute Dow, Nasdaq plus 3.81, S&P minus 0.35. So looking at the daily on this, I'm seeing a little divergence now. See, we got up here just above that previous February high, 28, starting to sideways, trying to go down. Now, the one thing over here, stochastics was very high. It was 97.64. It's extremely overbought. Now you came back down here, you bounced right here. See this, but you're coming back down again. One thing looks like divergence. This is going down now. This is starting to go down on Nasdaq and yeah, Nasdaq Composite. So is this going to come down to this line? That's my line right here. So if this does make a major move down, it wouldn't be that major, but still $3, $4, $5. I would look for anywhere 21 to 23 in this zone right here. You get a pretty solid pullback. 21 to 23. Could even go maybe just above 20. That would be a good pullback zone where you get the stochastics going under 20, 0 to 20. So you'd look for that. You're still in the uptrend here, slow grinding uptrend, basically since January. That's the major line here. When you're talking different patterns, like this was a down pattern back in September, October, and now you're starting to go up, and you can see here back and forth. So watch this here. Or if the market finds resilience, watch this 28.30 line. So pretty simple on the TQQQ move. We'll see what happens tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Futures right now, minus 42 Dow Jones, minus 9 S&P, minus 30 Nasdaq. The VIX is holding 19.55. So we'll see what happens here. So again, there's the uptrend right here. And then a bottle sideways. And then once you see this, after a move from this, you think it's going to go down, and it did. Sometimes it'll bounce, go up if something something happens in the market or traders end of the day might push it. Either way, but it was a jagged run all the way up today. So that's the move for today. All right, so that's it on TQQQ. Solid little 50-cent move. That's all you need. Remember, trading is not get rich. It's not, oh, I made one trade, I made $1 million, like you see these guys on the internet. It's a long lasting thing you can do. And some days will be 50 cents, some days a few dollars, depends what you're trading. So, look at it as a long run thing. So, all right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. And Mike Cayman Trades on TikTok. Leave comments. Any of your thoughts, anything you traded, or any other questions, or that's it. Peace.